Hello everyone, welcome to this series of room database, and in this video we will create node DAO for our database. So this is DAO which is intercommunicate with our database. Okay, so go to your package and create a interface of node DAO. Just create it and annotate with DAO and just create a function of insert in which we pass our node which is of type node. So this node is our entity which we created in our previous video. If you don't watch our previous video, please go and watch so that you can get all the things which I will talk about. So annotate with insert and room will take care of this function. We don't worry about this function. So if we annotate with this insert, it will simply insert. We will simply call this method and pass a node class node data in our this insert function, and it will simply insert in our database. Now second, we can update our data. So update existing node. So similar of this insert, we have a update annotation. It will simply update our existing node data. And third is delete. We can pass our node object which we want to delete. Now if we want all the data from our database, so we have to make a query in which we select asterisk means all from, you can see here, node. If you use SQLite helper classes, if we write in our SQLite helper classes node, so the SQLite helper class which never told me that this is a table which doesn't exist, but this room database is so powerful that it will simply told us that if you, it will not compile, that's all. If you don't compile a application, you did not run in our devices. So you can see select star from node. We have defined function get all nodes, and we get a list of nodes. That's all. This is a core function which we use in our project. So we have an insert function, we have an update function, we have a delete function, and we have a get all nodes which will simply return a list of nodes which we can appear in our recycler view in our upcoming videos. Okay, so that's all for this DAO. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and you can watch this series in a continuation manner. So if you want to know about this DAO,